And here we are. And this is yet more growth coming from this lemon tree. Now, I don't know what type of lemon tree this is. If you remember, I just put down a seed from a random lemon. But as you see, it's splitting and it looks good. The stalk is starting to get really woody. It's starting to get its wooden stalk. Now again, I don't think I'm going to put this outside. I'm going to let it continue its life right here in the house because I'm terrified that if I put this outside, I just may lose it. And you know, this thing is over a year old at this point. And then you have its buddy down here, which is honestly probably about a year old too. I don't know what the deal is. But it's definitely gotten bigger. If you remember the last video, it did not look that good. So I've been feeding that too. So I'm gonna get this one into a brand new pot. And yep, we're gonna continue watching the lifespan of this lovely lemon tree. March 3rd. And check it out. This is my, well, it's doing extremely well. See how it's beginning to split here, splitting into three. So that's a good thing. Also, it's starting to protect itself. It has these spikes here. You know, this is my first time doing it. And as you remember, I grew this thing from a seed, right? A little teeny seed. You can click right there if you want to see that. And this is its baby, a little seed. Now, I planted this seed here probably about a year ago. It just didn't really take off. It's doing better now than it was a month ago, but it just didn't really take off. Unlike this one. You know, this is probably a little over a year old now, and I've been keeping a little journal on it. So, yeah, let's continue watching it grow. And also, like I said before in the last video, there's these little crystallizing things right there on the plant. I don't know what that is, but it doesn't seem to be harming anything. I haven't seen any new bugs, so I don't think it's any type of larvae, but then again, it just may be. I don't know. It's not harming the plant. I just know that once they begin to show up, and then this thing began to sprout. Look at that. It's all new. Things looking very well. Well, that's the update on my lemon tree. Very pretty. And the lemon flower is sweet. So are you having any success in growing your indoor lemon tree? And again, I don't know what kind this is. Meyer lemon, I don't really know. I pretty much grew this from some scraps that I had. But it's doing good, it's looking good, and it's making me happy. And as I say, one day, hopefully in the future, you'll see me and my Feodora take a bite of a lemon tree. Okay, today is the 7th of March, and I came down and I noticed that my lemon plant is leaning. And it wasn't leaning yesterday. Oh, hi kitty. So I'm going to get a stake and just stake this thing up. At least I think that's what it is. I hope it's not you know, getting sad or anything. So I'm going to get a stake and I'm going to stake it up and see if that helps, and we're going to keep an eye on this thing. And there you have it. Today is the 12th of March, and good grief, man, this lemon plant is doing so great. I had to stake it up, so I got this little thing here from Lowe's. Technically, I guess I should have got a smaller one so it could hug it better, like right there. But either way, I think it looks very good. It's healthy. You know, it started leaning, so that's why I got it. But this right here, oh yeah, it's just an avocado seed. I stuck that there like 2 days ago, so we're going to watch that too. And when that gets some roots on it, then we'll start a series on it. All right, and today is the 20th. And as you can see right there, it's starting to split yet again. And it's looking good, you know. I'm not complaining at all. I got the pole in here, and that's holding it up quite nicely. And it seems to be doing good. This leaf has a little browning on it, you know, but that's about it. I still have that weird little crystallization there, you know. I still have no idea what that is. Again, if anybody can let me know exactly what that is, it seems to not be hurting the plant any, It's just one of those things that's there. Looks good. I think we're done with this most recent update. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.